One of my most comforting dishes, a ABC soup with coconut water. Me, my parents, my siblings, we were all living in the same house. I think it was my sister or my dad turned vegetarian. My mum, in all her ingenuity, decided to try using coconut water in this classic Chinese ABC soup. You would think like, oh, coconut water tastes sweet. It wouldn't really fit into a savoury dish. I'm sure if you try it, it will surprise you. Let's talk ingredients. You got your onion, tomato, carrots, potatoes. So we're just gonna prep this up. Very easy recipe. You just cut it however you want. All the veggies are chopped, so let's get the pot ready. So for the base of this soup, instead of like a typical chicken stock or pork stock or whatever meat stock that people might use, we are gonna use coconuts. Coconut water has a lot of like natural sweetness to it, and somehow when you cook it together with all these veggies, it adds also like savoury meatiness to it that really rounds off the dish. Fresh coconuts like this one, it works much better, but in a pinch you can also use like regular carton coconut water. I'm gonna put in the onions, the carrots, and the potatoes. Basically, I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes and then I'll add in the tomatoes. So the veggies have been boiling for about half an hour. I'm now gonna add in the tomatoes. And we're gonna cook this again for another 20 minutes. And it'll be done. Now we're just gonna adjust the seasoning, and also what I like to do is add a bit more coconut water at the end. Okay, so it's come up to a boil. That means the soup is done. So you have your classic like potatoes, carrots, onions, tomatoes, which you know already work really well in an ABC soup and it tastes really comforting. The addition of coconut water, and in this case we use the coconut flesh as well, it really adds a different dimension to the dish. It adds depth, it rounds off the dish really nicely without the use of any meat, which if you were to serve this to me, I'll be like, oh, this is good. This is like a good, comforting, hearty ABC soup. I don't need any meat. Yeah, so give it a try. Now, let me slurp down this soup. It's so hard. It's not low enough.